guys, it's such a joy to see you again. I'm actually very excited to see my subscribers, the people who have liked my video, the people who have commented. I'm very excited. Welcome aboard. So today I'm holding some oat flour. We're going to more or less do a breakfast series for a while, but yes, I'm holding oat flour today. I'm not trying to do, what are they called, marketing, but this is a really good brand for oat flour, because this is oat flour as opposed to the actual like rolled oats. So what we're going to do today is fluffy oat pancakes. Whether you want to eat oats in a different way and you're not very sure how, this is one of the ways you can actually eat your oat. So let's see the ingredients we're going to be using today. So what we have, I have just sifted a cup of oat flour. This is honey. Then this is some oil, some milk. These are 2 eggs. This is baking powder, some sugar, and some salt. So this is what we're going to do. In this one, we're going to mix our wet ingredients and our dry ingredients separately first before coming to do them together. So what I will do is have my 2 eggs together with, this is about, say, half a cup of milk. This is 60 ml of some oil. Then I am going to do 2 tablespoons of, actually just 1 tablespoon of honey, and balance it out. I will balance this out with a tablespoon of sugar. So basically this will kind of take care of the ones who are very health conscious. So I'm going to mix this together. Our dry ingredients, to this cup of oats, we are going to add a heaped teaspoon of baking powder just to make this fluffy. Then we are going to add a pinch of salt. Salt basically makes oat taste better, just to see. Yes. So after we have, I'm using now a whisk to mix them together after mixing them separately. So we will now add our wet ingredients to our dry ones. We have some sugar still, not dissolved, but... And you also realize we have added our oil into the mixture instead of having the oil at the pan point of this. So one of the nuggets is basically to cook your pancakes with oil in the ingredients so that you don't have to put oil on top. It gives a very, not necessarily dry, but it has a very good feel to it on the top that is not oily. You know, the people who don't like pancakes because they are oily at the top, well, this then sorts that out. So you have very good flour, very good actually butter, very good pancake batter, and you are ready to put this to the fire. So I've picked a ladle once again so that I'm able to put this mixture in bits. So what I'm going to do, my pan is heating on medium heat, and because we put oil in the batter, we don't need to put oil here. And once we have put in our mixture, we don't touch it at all. We allow it to cook on its own until we have seen bubbles running all through. Then now we can turn it. So at this point, we are able to turn our pancake. I love the color. This always excites me, by the way. This is just exciting. And because this is a fluffy pancake, it will actually begin to rise as it is more like doming or something like that. And you realize when we're cooking this, we're not touching them at all. We're just allowing it to cook all through, and then we remove it. So this is basically almost done. Yeah, it's actually done. So the good thing about these pancakes is they're cooked really fast because this is oat. Oat cooks in like 2 or 3 minutes. So what we do, oat is a bit delicate. We don't keep flipping these pancakes on the pan because the more we flip, we will have it start to tear up. And as you can see, like from one, I turned it a bit too much. So you see what happened? It started to tear up even from the pan. So I've just finished cooking and someone was passing by.
Hi guys.
So meet Grace. This is my friend. She's Grace. She's decided to be the taste tester today. But basically I think we are happy with what we have made. So what we need to see is, first of all, you see how it is breaking apart? It's because, first of all, oat is very delicate, but we have a very cakey kind of texture in the oat itself. So what we're going to do is allow Grace to be our taste tester. This is, I think, almost too delicate. You can just have a piece by your hand.
Okay. Julie.
She needs to tell us.
Guys, this is the best fluffy oat pancakes I've ever had. It's delicious, scrumptious. Ooh la la. Julie, you outdone yourself.
They're actually really nice, by the way.
Very nice.
She's not just telling me because she's my friend. I'm very sure this is something very nice. So yeah, if you love your oat and you're thinking of doing it in a different way, get it as flour instead of the rolled oat. If you want to make it even fancier, do some pancakes. If you're conscious with your health, you've seen that we have not just put sugar. We have done honey that is a good substitute to the sugar. So this is, again, a very healthy thing to do. And I'm happy. So keep subscribing. And actually tell me down below what you would like to see me make. And as you can see, I'm really enjoying my oat. But until next time, make some healthy oats. Cheers.